Hi everyone, here we are with another Framer template giveaway. You can check the description for the first one's link, by the way. This one is called Retrowave, which is a retro-styled landing page template featuring smooth animations, CMS block support, and flexible layouts for modern landing pages. Let's check the navigation first, which is included in the layout template for easy customization. You can see it has a scroll animation to be easily hidden on scroll. When we check the effect settings, we can see it's Y offset on scroll with a negative value to be hidden on scroll, as I said. And we can see how layout adapts itself to other breakpoints in the screen also, making it fully responsive. Let's go back to homepage. I used this script font for the headlines, and almost all the text used in the template has its own style, as we can see on the right panel. Again, for easy customization and consistency. I wanted to use solid buttons with gradient backgrounds and non-blurry drop shadows for both primary and secondary buttons, creating the visual hierarchy with background gradient colors. I created the background animation for the hero section completely in Framer. Let's go to background animation component screen. You can see we have nested rectangles here, and in each variant we changed the color of one of them, going from the outermost towards the inside. And when we check this component at the home page, we can see it also has a loop effect, which makes it rotate in addition to the rectangles animation. We also have a scroll transform to create a nice background animation also on scroll. I also wanted to use a double border for the buttons on hover for a different and retro look. Actually, I used double borders throughout the template, as you can see around these cards, even around the icons in these cards, and also for the layout borders between the sections, like this one. And of course, I wanted to use some nice and subtle scroll animations with layering view trigger for the elements. At the very bottom of all pages, I placed a section with some text, sometimes with a button and an icon with a slow rotate animation loop. I used CMS for the blog page for easy maintenance and update. We can also check the single article page. And you can see here also we have our title with the nice script font and double border underneath, and of course also our post info. You can also see the customized form in the contact page with some nice double border appears on focus for the input fields. And also in all pages, I used a looping subtle background gradient animation. Overall, I think this template is really nice, especially if you're looking for a retro and playful looking landing page design. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.